friends, today we'll be reading Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Hankes. What a night! The moon is full, Kitten is hungry and inquisitive and brave and fast and persistent and unlucky and lucky. What a night! Kitten's first full moon. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten! Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top of her porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten. Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the fields, and by the porch. But Kitten never seemed to get closer. Poor Kitten. Alright, readers, I want you to stop and think, what is happening in the story so far? Why do you think that Kitten can't get to the bowl of milk? Let's find out. Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still couldn't reach the bowl of milk. And now she was scared. Poor Kitten, what could she do? What do you think she could do? Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk. And it was bigger. What a night! So she raced down the tree and raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond. She leaped with all her might. What do we think is gonna happen? Poor Kitten, she was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. Look at the face of Kitten. What does it tell us? How is she feeling? And there was a great big bowl of milk on her porch. Just waiting for her. Lucky Kitten. What a night. Friends, I want you to think about the story, and I want you to pick what was your favorite part of the story. Find someone at home to tell them about the story and share your favorite part with them. I hope you enjoyed Kitten's first full moon today. I'll see you soon.